In this video, I'm going to show you how to make traditional bánh mì that tastes as good, if not better, than the ones you can find in Vietnam. Having been living in Vietnam for over 40 years, I have had thousands of bánh mì, so I'm very familiar with how it's supposed to taste and look. Unlike French baguette, which tends to have a dense crumb, bánh mì has a thin, crackly crust and an incredibly light and airy crumb. This recipe took us years to develop, as we had to test many versions, tweaking the process and ingredients until we were finally happy with it. We even gathered tips and information from local bakers in Saigon to make sure we got it right. With that being said, let's get started. Like traditional bánh mì from Vietnam, our recipe doesn't rely on eggs, so it's also vegan. To make bánh mì, you will need water, bread, flour, a high-protein flour that contains at least 12 grams of protein per 100 grams, sugar, instant dry yeast, a pill of vitamin C or ascorbic acid, salt, and finally, bread improver. There are many brands of bread improvers and most will work, but here are the three main brands used by Vietnamese bakeries: Mori, Puratos, and Baker 999. It's time to score the loaves. There are two ways to score your baguettes. The first is the French cut, which must be done at an 80-degree angle. I recommend 2 cuts, with the second cut overlapping about 1/3 of the previous one. The second way, the straight cut, is the easiest, as it consists of one straight cut at a 90-degree angle. Be careful not to score your baguettes at a low angle, otherwise the openings won't look good. As you can see, my loaves were still a bit wet on the outside, so the blade dragged the dough a bit, but it's okay. You can just let your loaves dry for an extra 10 minutes if you want cleaner cuts. We hope you enjoyed the video, and remember, we share more in-depth details and tips on our blog full of plans, so feel free to check it out. I also put the link in the description box below. Hope to see you soon in the next videos. Bye!